Hello friends, welcome back to Learn with Ansh. My name is Ansh and in this video we are going to be discussing about the first chapter in class 9 physics, motion. This is just an introduction video. What is motion? A body is said to be in motion when its position changes with respect to stationary object taken as reference point. Now what is this with respect to a stationary object taken as reference point? Let's see. Say you're in your school and you're bored, so you look out of the window and you see a very attractive blue car. The car will be the object and you sitting in the school would be the reference point. Reference point is basically a point from which the observer sees something, for example, in this case, motion. Now, you see that the car moves from one place to another. Think of it this way. When you're sitting in the school, the car seems to be moving for you. But for the people who are sitting inside the car, it will feel as if everything around them is moving. They are just sitting, relaxing, or whatever they are doing. For them, they are at rest. For you, they are at motion. This is where the role of reference point comes in. On basis of reference point, we determine whether an object is in rest or motion. So if someone asks you whether a body or an object is in rest or motion, and they tell nothing about the reference point, the answer is it depends. It depends on what? The reference point. Now, do we have a term that talks about the state of motion changes with reference point? Do we have one term? Yes. We could say that motion is relative. This is the term that we were looking for, relative. The last topic that I would like to discuss in this video is the difference between scalar and vector quantities. Scalar quantities are physical quantities that have only magnitude and no direction. Example, speed of a car. Whereas vector quantities are quantities or physical quantities that have both magnitude and direction. Example, weight of an apple.